Hi everyone, this is Curious Nisha and welcome back to the channel. So we have some absolutely juicy updates for you today, from highly anticipated modern romance adaptations to major wrap-up announcements. July is already heating up in the C-drama land. If you love a good secret crush trope or an aesthetic romance pairing, hit that subscribe button because we are diving straight into the latest melon. First up, let's talk about the brand new modern drama, Wear Her Headline Brush. According to social media buzz, this highly anticipated series starring Soo Kye-yu and Wang Yu-wen is officially scheduled to start filming this July. Look at this gorgeous concept poster. The drama is adapted from the popular novel Using Beauty for Crime by Xu Tu Cheng. And trust me, the character dynamics are not your typical run-of-the-mill romance. Let's break down these characters' descriptions shown because the contrast is everything. Wang Yuwen plays Lin Shuang, a stunning, beautiful, bold, and fiercely independent tea shop owner. After experiencing a family downfall and a betrayal by her first love, she has become a bit cynical about romance, acting like a playful bad girl who enjoys dating without investing her real feelings. On the flip side, Soo Kye-yu plays Soo Seng, a quiet, understated high school mathematics teacher. He is not your traditional overbearing billionaire CEO. He is a practical, gentle, and reliable guy who has secretly harbored a massive crush on the female lead since their high school days. When they reunite years later on a blind date, she initially brushes him off, but he quietly steps into her life, helping her renovate her shop across from his school, bringing her meals, and winning her over with pure sincerity. Plus, this file teases some major jealousy and drama when her first love returns. Talk about an elite dynamic. Moving on to our next massive update, the upcoming drama, The Rebirth of Love, has officially finished filming. As seen in the announcement, the production team celebrated their final wrap-up, and the star-studded lineup is giving us high expectations. Leading the series are none other than Guan Xiaotong and Lin Yi. Just look at the insane chemistry radiating from this poster. The lighting, the atmosphere, the height difference, it is an absolute visual feast. Here are the official wrap-up photos. We see Guan Xiaotong looking absolutely radiant with her bouquet, and Lin Yi giving a thumbs up with his blue flowers. The drama also features an incredible supporting cast with special appearances by Wang Shi-xuan, Wang Wu, and Yu Yi-jun. Now that filming is officially done, the countdown to the premiere trailer begins. Which of these two dramas are you adding to your watch list first? Are you hyped for Soo Kye-yu and Wang Yu-wen's unique pairing? Or are you waiting for Lin Yi and Guan Xiaotong to grace our screens? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.